Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here, hi, my name is Pratiksha. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you are my old subscriber, thank you so much guys and welcome back to my vlog. So today I am vlogging, and the reason why I'm vlogging, you all already know it by the thumbnail and the title of this video. So it's been a while since I've been to street shopping, and since I'm in Hyderabad, I like KPHP, I like Amirpet, but the one street which was missing for these many days is General Bazaar, which is in Secunderabad, Hyderabad. So recently I went to General Bazaar to explore and see what's there, and it was suggested by one of my local friends. So this video is all about street shopping, and let's quickly jump into the video. So it was my first time visiting General Bazaar, and I had so much expectations on that place. So to know my opinion of that place, please don't forget to watch this video. So you will have a small chotusa haul at the end of this video. So starting with, we went to Secunderabad in a metro because General Bazaar is near to that. The fun thing is, we were told that General Bazaar lane starts from Secunderabad metro station, but it took us almost 1.5 kilometer to walk because we got down in the wrong metro station. Because there are two metro stations in Secunderabad. One is Secunderabad East and the other is Secunderabad West. But my friend told us to get down in Secunderabad. She didn't tell which station to get down. So we got down in Secunderabad East, but we were supposed to get down in Secunderabad West. So guys, if you're in Hyderabad and if you want to visit General Bazaar, you have to get down in Secunderabad West. Please don't forget this. Basically, there was everything available over there, right from kids wear to menswear and ladies. Though don't ask, everything related to ladies were there, right from the dress, the traditional wear, the western wear, jeans, footwear, nightwear, everything. Like whatever you imagine for a girl, everything was there. Oh, there was nothing much interesting. I got two night pants and one short kurti and one white leggings. So I got two night pants, right? In that one night pant is so cute that it reminds me all of Christmas vibes, New Year vibes. So we four friends, we got the same pants, same design pants, and we are gonna wear it on the New Year home party. So yes, I'm so excited about that. It's so cute. So yes, let's quickly jump into the haul. So the first item I'm showing you all is the short kurti, which is in green color. It's really cute. I'll put up the video here and so that you guys can see how it looks on me. It's really cute and this print is really good, and I am liking this print, and this color is good. Recently I've been obsessing over green color, as you guys can see. And then coming to night pants, I got this pretty pink orange floral night pant from there, and you can't guess the price guys. It is just for 150, trust me. And the quality is so good. It has a pretty good detailing, and it also has a nada for you to tie. So 150 के लिए क्या ही expect करोगे बोलो. So this is good. And now comes the most cutest pajamas I have. Yeah, this is the one. Oh my god, it is so pretty. Look at this design, you guys. It's so pretty. I loved it the moment I saw it, so I had to get this one. This is the one which even my roommates got, and even this is for 150. Can you believe? It's so cute. I am thinking to pair this up with red t-shirt. I'll look like Santa Claus. That's all about the haul, and my opinion about General Bazaar is I am really disappointed. because there is no more things to buy. And if you really want to try traditional wear or traditional jewelries, you can go there. But for western, and if you are planning to buy sweaters or pants or something, it's very difficult to find. Sweaters are to not there, because I went at the starting of winters and I didn't find sweaters there. But night pants, yeah, you can find. Totally, my overall experience is I didn't like General Bazaar, and I'm not gonna go there again. I have never been to Delhi Sarojini Nagar, but Bangalore street shopping is way more better than Hyderabad, because Hyderabad, it's not giving me the vibe. But yeah, KPHB and Amirpet is good, but not at the level of Bangalore street shopping. For me, always Bangalore comes first for a street shopping, and I am really manifesting to visit Sarojini Nagar in Delhi. So let's see next year if I can go there. But as of now, there are no plans. So yes, that's all about this video, guys. I hope you guys like my video. Please don't forget to share, subscribe, like my video. And if you want to know anything about the things I brought and any details to how to reach to General Bazaar, please don't forget to comment down so that I can help you all. So yes, thank you so much for watching. Please keep supporting. Bye.